A man defended himself from an attack by his chainsaw-wielding father by running him over with a ride-on lawnmower, police say. Douglas Ferguson, 76, had to have his leg amputated after lunging at his unnamed son with the power tool as the younger man mowed a lawn, it is claimed. According to the Bristol Herald Courier, the incident happened at the son's home in Bristol, Tennessee. In June, and left Ferguson bleeding from his leg and head after being struck.He was taken to hospital, where his leg was removed, and was charged with attempted second-degree murder last Tuesday after police decided he had recovered sufficiently from his injuries. A Sullivan County Sheriff's Office spokesman told the Kingsport Times-News the son defended himself against the attack by running over the suspect with the lawnmower. The injuries that the suspect, Ferguson, sustained were as a result of the lawnmower striking and running over him.